everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're always on the go, whether it's beach days, pool parties, hikes, or just chilling in the backyard, but hate speakers that distort at high volumes, die too quickly, or get ruined by water and dust, then get pumped because today we're flexing with a portable audio champ. It's the Bose SoundLink Flex portable Bluetooth speaker. This tough little speaker delivers signature Bose sound with deep bass, up to 12 hours of battery life, and a waterproof, dustproof design that even floats. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want crystal clear audio with easy pairing, app customization, and rugged build for indoor or outdoor use without worry, this is the speaker that'll make every moment musical. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a SoundLink Flex must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Bose SoundLink Flex portable Bluetooth speaker. This is a compact speaker with a custom transducer and passive radiators for immersive sound with powerful bass and clear highs, no matter the orientation, thanks to PositionIQ technology that automatically adjusts the EQ based on how it's placed, upright, on its side, or hanging. It has a 12-hour battery life at moderate volumes, recharging in 4 hours via USB-C with a low battery indicator to keep you in the loop. The IP67 rating means it's fully waterproof and dustproof, floating if dropped in water, and the soft silicone exterior with steel grille resists corrosion and UV light for long-lasting durability. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable connections up to 30 feet, with multipoint pairing for 2 devices and SimpleSync to link with other Bose speakers or soundbars. Party mode lets you pair 2 flex speakers for stereo or connect multiple for amplified sounder events. The Bose Connect app allows EQ customization with presets like bass boost or balanced, software updates, and finding your speaker if misplaced. It includes a built-in mic for hands-free calls with noise reduction and voice prompts for easy operation. Priced around $99, it's lightweight at 1.3 pounds with a flexible loop for attaching to bags or bikes, coming in colors like black, blue, or red for a stylish vibe. Versatility is a standout. Clip it to your backpack for hikes with dust-proof protection, take it to the pool where it floats and survives splashes, or use it home with app tweaks for perfect sound. It's great for anyone needing reliable audio that goes anywhere without fuss. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are flexing strong, immersive Bose sound with deep bass and clarity that doesn't distort even loud. Solid 12-hour battery for all-day play without recharging. Rugged IP67 waterproof, dustproof build that's floatable and tough for outdoor confidence. Easy app EQ and multi-speaker pairing for customized listening. And lightweight portable design with loop for easy carry. Users love how it punches above its size with rich audio, the battery that lasts through parties, and the durability that handles drops and water. It's reliable, versatile, and makes music mobile without compromise. On the con side, the 1.3-pound weight is light, but the shape might not fit all bags easily. No power bank function to charge devices, the app is simple but lacks advanced features like spatial audio, and some note bass can be overpowering in small spaces, though most say presets fix it. Overall, pros dominate for on-the-go users. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Bose SoundLink Flex portable Bluetooth speaker if you live active, and the pros like sound quality, durability, and portability make sense for you. It's ideal for adventurers, partygoers, or anyone wanting premium Bose audio in a tough, compact package. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your music flexing, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a music friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.